Hey there everyone, I'm Nathan with Minnesota Mobile Guy. If you're not already familiar with me, I own and operate my own business helping clients from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services for their smartphones. Now here with me today I have a T-Mobile LG G4. We can take a peek at the sticker in the back here and see that that is designated by the LG H811 model number right there. But this video is going to be in relation to SIM unlocking the phone. So I am going to put in a Cricket SIM card here, and Cricket runs on at&t's network. So you'll be able to see the purpose of me doing that once we get the phone powered on here. So we're going to get that popped in and turn the phone on here and give it just a second to boot up and do its thing. Alright, here we go. So then right away, as soon as we turn the phone on, we get a message here that talks about the phone being locked. Now, a couple of years ago, T-Mobile stopped using the unlock code process on all their phones. So when you put in a SIM card from a different carrier, you do not get the prompt to enter in an unlock code anymore. You just get this message that says that the phone is locked and that you have to use T-Mobile's device unlock application in order to unlock the phone. So that is an app that comes pre-installed on the phone. It is located in the folder with all of the other T-Mobile apps here. It's the one with the pink padlock icon there that says device unlock. So if we open that up, we have two options here for doing both a permanent and a temporary unlock for the phone. So this means that T-Mobile controls every aspect of the unlocking process. No longer can you just put in a code to unlock the phone. The phone actually has to be made eligible on their end, and then you use the app to do it. It's the only way to unlock the phone, and they've implemented that on all of their new devices. iPhones obviously are accepted because they don't come with any carrier software on it whatsoever, but otherwise every other device that they sell, both phones and tablets, now uses that unlock structure. So getting them unlocked is a lot more difficult. But it is a service that my business offers that I can get done for you on any T-Mobile device that has that unlock on there. I have a contact on the inside at T-Mobile who can mark the Imei as eligible even if the phone is blocked or not paid off or not eligible according to T-Mobile, and then the unlock app can be used in order to successfully do it. Now, this phone is not eligible as of yet because I haven't requested that he get it processed for me. So when I try to do the permanent unlock option here, it'll come back and give me a message in just a second here. Come on. There we go. It says unlock failed because the mobile device is not eligible for unlock, and for the unlocking details to contact customer care. But since he's able to get it done for me, I'm going to go ahead and send him the phone's Imei to get it processed so that the phone is eligible, and then I'll come back with the second part of this video showing you that now the app does successfully unlock the phone. Just so that you know that there's no trickery, I'm going to pull up the phone's Imei here so you can see it, because obviously that's unique to every phone. Focus to cooperate there real quick. There we go. So that will be the same Imei shown on the phone again in the second part of the video once it's been processed. So I'll be right back with that after he's got the phone all processed for me. Alright, I'm back and we're all set to go here. I've now received word from my inside source that the Imei has been marked as eligible for unlocking, and so we're all ready to proceed on the phone. Now, I still do have the message about the network lock there, so the phone is still locked up with my Cricket SIM inside there. And then just to also prove that we're not pulling any switches here, I'm also going to go in and pull up the phone's Imei again. So you'll be able to see that that is the exact same one that I showed on the phone in the first half of the video, so we're not pulling any switches here. So I'm now going to go back and open up that same T-Mobile device unlock app. We have the two options there. So we're going to go ahead and do the permanent unlock option again, and we'll now see what it says. It does take a little bit to connect to the server here and go in and verify the status. But then once it does, On T-Mobile side, it'll tell the phone that it is eligible for the unlock, and so then the app will go through and actually do the work of getting it unlocked. Alright, there we go. So, unlock is approved, mobile device is permanently unlocked, and then it says that we need to restart the phone in order to apply that change. So, we're going to go ahead and restart now. Give it a couple of minutes there in order to reboot and do its thing, and then we'll be able to see that it's now getting signal on that Cricket SIM that I have inserted. Now again, like I mentioned before, T-Mobile has this new unlock app system loaded on all of their new phones, iPhones excluded obviously, so I'm able to do this for any of those phones, no matter what the manufacturer is. If it's Samsung or HTC or LG or Alcatel or ZTE, any of the models that T-Mobile sells, phones or tablets, if they have that unlock app, my contact on the inside is able to mark the Imei as eligible so that they can be unlocked. This one's just coming back up here now. Give it a second for it to read the SIM card. So right now we're on searching. Bars are spinning up there as it's trying to connect. The screen keeps timing out. Let me go in and change that setting actually. Alright, there we go. So, we now have signal on Cricket. As we can see there on the lock screen, it shows Cricket as a network. We can also go ahead and jump into the full phone settings, and under the network section, we'll be able to see that Cricket also shows as the active carrier there. So, this phone has been completely unlocked from T-Mobile and is able to be used on other carriers. And if you have one like that, or any other T-Mobile device that needs to be SIM unlocked via the Unlock app, go ahead and get in touch with me. I'd be happy to help you out with it. All the instructions for contacting me will be right in the video description. I constantly get people asking in the comments, well, how do I contact you? I'm telling you right now, read the video description and that'll have all the information that you need there. Thanks so much for watching my video, guys. You have a great rest of your day. Make sure to check out all the other videos on my channel also. I offer a lot of different services for different phones, and I'm sure you'll find something there that interests you. And make sure to hit the subscribe button while you're there also, since I'm constantly putting up new videos just like this one, and you definitely want to be notified when that happens. Y para todos los hispanohablantes, yo también hablo español, así que ustedes no duden en contactarse conmigo. Thanks for watching again, guys. Have a great day.